Google just gave your Android phone a massive glow up, and you won't even have to leave your current screen to enjoy it. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to for the latest tech news. After last month's redesign, Google is tweaking the Gemini overlay to make your digital life a whole lot easier. Previously, Neural Expressive Overlay only let users play with images and personal intelligence, but now the Plus menu is getting some serious power as well. Say hello to videos, music, Canvas, and guided learning, all packed right into the shortcut menu. But you won't find deep research tool here. That heavy hitter still demands the full app experience since it needs extra screen space to juggle all your sources and files. Speaking of the layout, the classic favorites like screen, photos, camera, files, drive, and notebooks are still sitting pretty at the top. But the carousel has drifted a bit higher up the screen, which might sabotage your one-handed texting and scrolling. But honestly, who's complaining when you get this much power at your fingertips? This clever little upgrade essentially smuggles the entire Gemini experience right to your home screen, saving you from constantly tapping into the full app. But it was already available till earlier in the year, but got mysteriously left behind during the first big Neural Expressive update. Luckily, Google realized to bring it back. If you're itching to try these features, you won't have to wait long. The exciting change is officially rolling out with a stable version 17.32 of the Google app. Update your phone right now and start exploring this new feature. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.